I bet you didn't know you could stay in a luxury hotel without spending a fortune. Get ready to be amazed. Imagine walking into a grand lobby, greeted by sparkling chandeliers and friendly smiles. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, dream no more. We're talking about stunning luxury hotels that won't empty your wallet. First stop, the elegant Hotel King's Court in Prague. With its rooftop pool and views of the historic city, you'll feel like royalty. Plus, they offer special deals that make it super affordable. Next, let's jet off to Paris. The Hotel Le Bristol offers a private garden and world-class spas. And guess what? You can snag all this luxury for a fraction of the price. Feeling adventurous? Check out the Grand Hotel River Park in Bratislava. Elegant rooms, scrumptious cuisine, and all the luxuries you can imagine. And it's surprisingly budget-friendly. So pack your bags and get ready to indulge in these fabulous yet affordable luxury hotels. Because you deserve the best without breaking the bank. Happy travels!